What up, guys? You guys have to see what's in front of me right now. But before I show you guys, please subscribe to the channel. We have a badass Honda Acura collection. Pretty dope. One of the best, I think, honestly, in my personal opinion. You guys can comment, let me know what you guys think. But please just do me a favor, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna try to bring you guys some pretty dope content this year, next year. But this site in front of me is amazing. I've always wanted to do it since I got the car. So I'll turn the camera around, show it to you guys. It looks really good. Got my Supercharged Integra Type-R outside next to my 2020 Acura NSX. First comparison, I don't know if you guys can actually tell in the video, the yellows are different. But this is just a dope sight to see. I have obviously a lot more cars to put next to them. Like I have my white NSX, I can put it next to this, but it's not yellow. But this is just a sight to see. So obviously you guys can see that the color is obviously a lot different. Show you guys it from the side. And then J-Rock, if you're watching, bro, I don't think you know what you're getting yourself into. So I'm supposed to be racing J-Rock with my Integra Type-R pretty soon. I honestly don't know if he knows what he's getting himself into. Those of you guys that never seen the car, we'll do a quick walk around of both. Spoon front brakes, CE28s, which are discontinued in this current offset. Has the AEM CD7 digital dash. No radio, because the last radio just pops out every time. I took my stock Type RCs out, which I still have. I got the black Recaros in there for now. But overall, probably one of my favorite cars that I've owned. I'll pop the hood for you guys in a second. If you guys were here in my shoes, which car are you taking? I feel like they both hold, I guess, they both do different things. Let me open the hood for you guys on this. Mobile steering wheel, suede. Check out the covers, pedal. Haven't driven this car in quite a while. But sorry guys, I'm also recording from my iPhone. Let me put this up real quick. Yeah, I'm recording today from my iPhone, so if it's a little windy, a little bit weird, just know it's from my phone, not from my camera. So just know that. I had to take my Honda battery out. Thing took a dump over the winter, but that battery's obviously not that great either anymore. But check this out. This is the car that I'm supposed to be racing J-Rock with. On my intake, I have a titanium one. It's at the shop. I took it off because I didn't want anything coming up from it when it rained, because I drive this car, literally I drive this car everywhere. But you guys drop in the comments, let me know what you think of the Type-R. Like, you guys like it? Anything else you would change on it? Like I said, I do have the intake for it. I have a titanium intake with an air filter on it. I take it off from time to time if it rains. This car is, like, honestly my favorite car. Like, it runs good, it serves its purpose. You guys can check that out. The car looks amazing. Show you guys the passenger side. I've always had Type-Rs growing up. That's why I always will have one. I still have the 50,000 mile Integra too. It's just been sitting in the garage. Let me open it up. Got the UK taillights. But yeah, man, I don't think I did like a full walk around video on YouTube yet about this car. But I will. I promise you guys, I will get like in-car, like a more detailed video if this isn't really detailed enough. But I'm trying to show you guys I have a lot of cars that you guys haven't seen, like a lot. I'm trying to show them to you guys one by one for the people that are on the channel and also for the new people. I paid almost $1,000 for these floor mats. I got them shampooed. Crazy, right? The times that we're in right now. But yeah, look at this and then look at that. They both are completely different cars, but I wanted to always make this video because I didn't know how different the yellow was compared to each other. Now looking at them face to face, the Type R is like a lot lighter than the NSX. But I feel like if I painted a Type R, this NSX yellow, if you guys know the name of the yellow on NSX, drop it in the comments. This yellow is super dope. So I feel like if I painted a Type R this color, it would actually look really, really good. So got the carbon ceramics, give you guys another walk around. Carbon brakes are super, super fire. Like I said, I'm looking for a front lip for the NSX. I'm looking for a good wheel option. I'm not looking to put TEs. I'm not looking to put anything like that nature. I want to do something like HRE or like something really nice, something like, I'm not trying to like make it look raced out, you know. It's just a daily driver for me. Honestly, one of the best cars I've ever driven. But like, help me find, I need to find some wheels, front lip, and then the side skirt extensions that come out. But give you guys a quick walk around the NSX. I'm trying to see if you guys can grab that yellow, see how different it is. This car obviously looks a little bit darker because of the tints. Daily driver. But such an amazing car, to be honest. I'm gonna open up the back for you guys. I never showed you guys the stuff in the back. If anybody got any questions on the mod list, let me open it up real quick. And I'll start both cars up for you guys in this video. Check that out. Sorry it's a little bit dirty. I drive this car in the rain. It's my daily driver, so such an amazing car. I'm gonna turn it on for you guys real quick. Push the start. Man, you guys can't lie. That shit was badass. I know my neighbors probably hate me. And sorry, it's a little windy out. Like I said, I'm recording from my iPhone. I don't know if it's good or bad quality yet, but I will upload it. Let's start the Type R up. Type R, I'm not going to do that to like rev it, but I'll start it up for you guys. Cold start on Integra Type-R. E85 sucks. I think I got pump gas in here right now. Let's see how much E we got. Well, 59%. This dash is dope. Jamie laid it out for me. It's the AEM CD7 dash. It has the shift lights up here. It comes on. You can set it up how you want. Boost gauge, oil pressure. I didn't connect that one yet, but you can put literally whatever you want. You can put anything you want to log. You can put it on. Miles per hour's work. Everything works, and it's super. The thing I like about it the most, it's accurate. It's like super accurate to like throttle. Everything that's on there is very accurate. It's not like those other dashes that takes a while or whatever, but probably one of the best dashes. I love it personally. For a street car, it's like the best. Taking the Integra Type-R, you're taking the NSX. I don't know, man. I love the NSX too, man. Honestly, for racing, like using the car in the street, this car is amazing. Daily driver, this car is amazing. Well, honestly, I just want to say, I never thought I'd be here in life, to be honest. I've gone through many cars. I've been broke before when I was a kid. Didn't have money, no money at all. I worked hard to get where I'm at today, and like to see this in my driveway today is like, it's a blessing, you know. It's like, I'll jump in a Honda Civic, I'll jump in an NSX, like no matter what I'm driving, I'm grateful for what I have, you know. It's just, I'm a car guy, and to have these cars in my garage is like almost damn near insane. I look at it every day, and I'm grateful for it, and I want to share that with you guys. Never stop chasing your dreams, because it's been a long road for me. I just turned 30, but like I said, I'm grateful for everything I got. Family, friends, team, crew, everybody. So I want to share that with you guys. Never stop chasing your dreams. Just keep working hard. If you want something, just get it. You never know what's going to happen tomorrow. So 2020 NSX, Integra Type-R. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I have a lot more cars that you guys didn't see. Black Integra Type-R I got a bunch of hatchbacks, but honestly, these two right here are just something else, you know? Just such amazing cars. But like I said, I will be racing this car against the white hatch. This car, I'm just, like I said, just daily driver. Yeah, that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will give you guys another video of this car at my shop. It's just getting cooler out. Just got no time, and it's super hard for me just to pick up the phone and record. But like, I'm trying my best. I don't have a filmer, and I'm just doing the best with what I got. Like I said, when I get there, once the channel gets there, I'll have more of a crew to keep doing this with me. But for now, that's that. Thank you guys for watching.